Alright guys, we're moving along with the car. It's been a little bit, but today it's going to the tint. So this is the last look, tintless. We're going down to Salisbury. I'll pop that out in a minute with a shout out. Yeah, oh yeah, it's registered too, by the way. So yeah, without tint, we're going for the Formula One. So it should have a nice metallic sheen to match the paint. But yeah, there we go, man. We'll see you after it's done. Cheers. Okay guys, we're here at Tintacar at the moment, getting the car done. She's over there. Okay, this is the Salisbury one. As I mentioned, I'm getting a Formula One tint done, and here's the phone number if you're in Adelaide. Please check them out, good people. Alright, I'll give you an update once we're here. Appreciate it. Thanks guys. Okay guys, we're back from the Tinners. It didn't take long at all. I think maybe an hour and a half to do some shopping as well, but yeah, it turned out really well. So let's have a quick look around. So again, this is from Tintacar. Big thanks to Leigh and Andrew. Obviously it's going to take a little while to dry. It's Formula One tint. It's got a grey hue to it. Nice and legal. But yeah, it's turned out really well. So hopefully that protects the interior with the dash mat and a sunscreen. We've basically got the inside covered. Yeah, they did an amazing job. So yeah, big thanks to the guys. If you need your tint done, check out Salisbury Tint-a-Car. Thanks people. The next video will be a service, I guess. And then I'll have to think about, probably the wheels will be next. I'm just going to have a quick think to see what I can do in order. But that's about it so far. Thanks guys, we'll see you soon. Cheers.